interaction. Plant and plant interaction are very important in addressing gathering the response of plant species and communities to their drivers. Competition. Plants compete with each other for resources and space. We have here an example of an interspecific competition. Interspecific competition is all about the plants that are from different species. In one pot, we have spinach, lime tree, and a watery apple, also known as tampis. These plants are competing each other for the soil nutrients and the sunlight and the water. They are in one pot. They are competing each other, and they are called interspecific competitions since they are from different species. We have here an example of interspecific competition. These plants right here are from the same kind of species or same kind of plants. They are competing each other since they are on one pot. They compete with each other through the soil nutrients, the water, and the sunlight. We can observe that the other plant is smaller than the other one because they're competing each other. Of course, there will be smaller and there will be bigger. Some plants are parasitic on our planet. Commensalism. Commensalism occurs as one species live in a direct association with another, the host. Right here, this tree is the host and the parasitic plant is the orchid. But commensalism is about the parasitic plant that lives in the host. Pero wala niya di patay ang host. That means nagstay ra siya ani nga tree and then alive gyapon ang maong kahoy. When we say parasitic plant are plant and plant interaction are very harmful to the host. That means these plants grows in a tree and kills the tree for them to live. Here are some examples of parasitic plants. This farm right here, it grows on the tree trunk. For them to live, they kill the host. And some of the examples also are the mistletoe. Mistletoe parasite the green plants or trees by penetrating the outer tissue of the host. This plant doesn't contain chlorophyll and cannot photosynthesize. Mistletoes pretty much kill the host so they can be alive. Plant facilitate the growth. Mutualism. Mutualism is an interaction between the species that is beneficial to the both. That means they are helping each other to live. Mutualism facilitation is the opposite of the plant competition. Whereas in facilitation, plants are helping each other. Instead of them competing each other, they're helping each other so that they will all grow. These plants pretty much help the tiny ones to shade them and to give them the protection so that they will also grow